subscribe. Pillar. Sport part arrival. We ready to roll.
Wish us luck.
Be safe, guy.
Later on.
They just did that today, but I just drove to the top of the hill. But we should have, I would say, like 3 or 4 spots for sure.
Yeah, that'd be perfect. That'd be perfect. Just for back up. Yep.
But it's like, I left at 6:45 from my house and I got here at 7:10, and that's in West End.
Yeah.
So you just hit 15,501 right there.
Heck yeah. All these new highways through here has got me all turned around from what I'm used to. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
From way back when.
Yeah. Right there. This is our farm.
Whose?
This is our farm that we have.
Oh, okay, I got you.
So worst comes to worst, we can go.
Would bet anything. No one comes to Pinehurst in Turkey now.
Jack Leonard's. Bless you, sir.
That's right. We always come back for turkey season. That's something we've always have done. You know, we don't get a chance to come home any other time and do any hunting. That's for sure.
Any I'd ever hunted behind, we just looked up and got a good one. That other bird we heard,
yesterday was right over here on this side. Been in this field. Yeah, I've been seeing him in this field by himself. I believe you could kill him.
Is this the same call? Is this Woodhaven?
No, try it.
I don't know, bro. That one I got
Slap that
the house, bro.
bro.
That shit right there, we're calling your mother. What about my camera now?
Check it. We're going to the feed store at Rayford.
Yep.
They're back binders.
That's where you're going to?
Huh?
What the hell you going to the feed store for?
I gotta pick up some money.
Oh.
It's a great idea. So, I don't know. Where you going to your house?
I guess. I don't know. I mean,
Or you just want us to come over there when we're done?
whatever you guys want to do, it don't matter to me. I'm going to probably, might be able to scout out a couple more places when you get back if you want, or
Yeah, that's fine. All I gotta do is, it'll take me no time to run there and back.
what should I do? Just go to the house, see my dog or something?
Yeah. Spit it out.
I'll play with it. You don't put it in your mouth.
There you
I
go.
don't want it back.
Hey, you know what Whit says? I said, Whit, why you buy all these different cuts? I said, you don't even know what you can use. He said, let me tell you what I do. He said, I'll try it one time. If I don't like it, he said, I put it in the back, put it back in the pack. He said, now I'll go give it to one of my buddies. I said, after you don't put it in your mouth? He said, yeah. I said, that's fell. I know not to ever get one from you.
Better than this Indian Creek.
Oh, yeah.
They're
would
both
be
what I
the same.
need to buy for my 20s, though. One of them Indians.
They're both sick. Couldn't go get the matching 20 to it, but it ain't Ryan Roberts.
Already?
Come out of it a hell of a lot better, didn't it?
Name JD. Look straight across. Look towards that fallen tree. Yeah, he's at a strut. He's right at that.
Oh, yeah, yeah. All right, hold right here.
There you just
Yeah,
find
it's
the
lined
line.
up.
Huh?
I'm about to have to
Right,
hand you
hold
this
right.
bag.
Straight across in between there.
You're crazy. You would be addicted to it. It is 11 to 2. Oh, God, it's so much fun.
Because they're in the woods,
God,
they're
it's so
alone.
much fun. They're alone. Yeah, they're so, like, responsive. Like, the way we're going to kill them is by pissing them off. The way you kill one in the middle of the day is talking some love to them, you know?
What are we, so are we good to go to the house?
Yeah.
We're done.
We're done. That's all we needed to
That's
do.
how we do it right here.
So we can go wherever. Yeah, how about that? I'm a better service than get that. Fucking 17 minutes.
I'm going to listen to his ass gobble again tonight. That motherfucker.
Hello?
Any more later though?
No.
Yeah, fucking pedestrian crossing up here.
Tesla. We in this old scout rig.
Wait, so we're not driving this far though, if we're taking his truck, right? I'm about to just rag the battery if we ain't going far.
You're about to what?
Run the battery down.
Yeah.
Just
Not
save it,
running
just in case. We might
Save it
need
in case?
Yeah, we might.
Piece of shit. Damn loner. I feel like Joel when he got his damn phone won't work. Fucking slings that motherfucker. Damn loner.
Tell Landon about that.
Joe was
I'll show him the
too.
video. I'm about to say damn loner, and just run this bitch in a pine tree.
It's on the video.
Here we go. Here we go.
tomorrow.
4 hours.
4 hours.
Christmas morning.
Christmas morning.
This shit's way better than Christmas.
God bless us. That's how I'd be though.
Huh?
Might as well.
I ain't sure.
Don't mess with it in the morning. Y'all want to be in the right state of mind. Go straight into it.
I want to be slick. I want to be dreaming about turkeys on
Right.
that tree about 3 a.m. Damn, I'm glad I
Exactly.
grabbed it.
What kind of boots are in?
One of my dad's like other pairs.
Go pan over.
Well, I put an SX, 2 SX stakes right there.
No, they were there.
There's two.
decoy stakes, but yeah, that'll work. I have to break that thing off of it.
And that's fine, but I threw them in there for that reason. Was because
Yeah.
when I pulled it out of there, I didn't find a stake for it.
I got a fucking problem with it.
Say what now?
We're going to war. Alright? Someone give me my MREs. We're going out there now.
Hey, Joe.
Alright?
Joe.
I was telling him, I was like, them things look sturdy.
Them turkeys don't stand a chance.
My great grandfather.
Same thing.
What's up with them?
Put them in the dirt.
At least down.
There wasn't one behind him, was there?
Did you hear that one off on the ground? Off on the ground? Huh?
Do what?
Did you hear that one off on the ground?
Yeah, there's one.
Oh, look at him hook.
Hell yeah. He's heavy too. Look at them hooks. Let's go. Let's go. Look at the hooks on this motherfucker. Look at the hooks on this motherfucker.
love you.
How close do you think he was?
About quarter to halfway into this field. From where we're at.
He's really close. Yeah, but I mean, he's barely in those woods. If we get in that head of woods right there. Should I go move my truck? No, I think if it's sitting still, he might not pay attention to us.
Middle school, maybe?